everyone, and today we'll be showing you how to make
ramen noodles.
But these are special ramen noodles because they're gourmet. Hopefully. We'll see how this goes.
Yeah.
Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to tell you the ingredients for what you're going to need in order to try out our little recipe of gourmet ramen noodles. So you'll obviously need one package of ramen noodles, whatever flavor you like will work. One package of tofu. Radishes. And chives. And then for cooking utensils, you're going to need your handy dandy stove pot, as well as a pan and a cutting board, a knife, and then something to stir your ingredients together. All right, let's see how this goes. Here we go. Step one.
You will need this.
All right. So another ingredient is 2 cups of filtered water. And for the first step, we're going to take our 2 cups of filtered water and
put it in the pan.
And then once you have your water in your pot, you're going to turn on the heat so you can boil that water. And then we'll start step 2.
The next step is to wash the vegetables. The second step is to wash the vegetables with purified water. Let's put the water in. And now you stir it. You get all the vegetables wet. And make sure they're all clean. Don't put dish soap in the water or any soap. And yeah, you wash it and now they're all washed.
Now that the vegetables are all clean, we're going to cut them up, as well as we're going to chop up the tofu into like 1/4 inch squares. So that's what we're going to do now.
Chives look like this after they're cut.
Don't make them fall.
Oh.
Ew. Ew.
The radishes look like this after you cut them. There's more! So after you slice the chives and the radishes and boil the water, then you put in the Maruchan ramen noodles. First you open it. Okay. There they are. Still open.
Have them explode everywhere.
Ah! Ready?
Wait. What about the flavoring? Gotta take the flavoring package out.
Take. Do you put the chicken flavor after? Right?
Yep. Flavor after. No, make sure, Nate, not from too far. Not too far up, or else it's going to explode everywhere.
Do I just do that?
Yep, just go like that, Cash. You're getting everything on the ground. What are you doing, Cash?
Okay.
There's stuff everywhere. Okay, yep.
Ah, that burns.
Plop, Cash.
So just plop it?
Yep, plop.
That's mine. When you have your noodles in the pot, turn down the heat.
Now that we've got all our chopped up vegetables into a bowl, we're going to now move on to the tofu, which you're going to cut up into little squares and cook in the frying pan. Okay, there's water now. Oh my god! Water's exploding from the package. Okay, drain the water out of the tofu package before you try to open or get the tofu out, because that was bad.
This is what the tofu looks like after it's cut.
Don't drop it.
You're special if you see those little lines on there.
Little lines on the tofu. So now, once you have your tofu cut, you're going to spray some olive oil onto your pan so the tofu does not stick while you're cooking it. And then you can season it with salt if you like. And then we're going to head on to the next step.
Now we're ready to put in the chicken flavor.
Because the noodles are cooked all the way, so we're going to turn off the heat on the noodles. And we're going to add the chicken flavoring as well as the vegetables to the pot with the noodles in it.
It's gonna explode. Ah!
I'm really not sure how to cook tofu, so this is a first for everyone.
And I'm not really sure how to cook anything. So, this is a first for everyone. I stir it around, stir it. Stir it real good! Ow! I'm gonna burn myself. Yummy! Remember, if you see those lines, you're special. Oh! Link in the comment down below if you see them. Add the finishing touches. Good. Oh, I'm not going to succeed.
Alright, so here's our finished product. It looks pretty good, so we're going to try it now and see if we like it. Here we go.
I like it. 10 out of 10. What do you think?
I think it was, really good. Comment down below what you think, and
No,
if
you're
you
still there.
ever end up trying to make this recipe, let us know down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and
Have
thanks
a
for
happy
watching.
Halloween.